It depends on the study, right? So
Yeah.
if we're going to have a large vaccine trial, we've seen success with digital ads and social media. When you need that great amount of patients, that's the easiest way to talk to a ton of people and to share the news about the trial. Some of our smaller studies, maybe like obesity or chronic kidney disease, where you're looking for a particular patient, we look at site outreach. We want to make sure that we have continuous communication with potential patients so that they know what trials are up and coming. They know what they're interested in. We can help educate them and fill those gaps. Plus, being here at a federally qualified health center, we actually released a survey to patients just to see what do they know about clinical trials and what are they interested in. And it was about 6% knew of a clinical trial or had been in a clinical trial. However, 97% said that they would do a clinical trial if their provider recommended it. So that
Mm.
just shows the trust that our patients have with the providers. So we really rely heavily on the providers to create that touch point as well. I don't know if that's one in the poll, but I mean, that's really helped with us.
Yeah, when you talk about site outreach, when you're trying to get those patients to come in, when we're talking about patient recruitment in particular, what does that entail?
So it really depends. I mean, we can do email blasts to patients. We can do text blasts to patients. Our physicians can send messages directly in the EMR portal.
Hmm.
We do it all. I think it's really, in a big part of this conversation, we'll find out that it's not one size fits all. Every clinic is a little bit different. You can't just check the box and do the same thing for every study because you're not going to get the same results. So for us, for site outreach, it's a lot of how many touch points can we get with a patient so they know research is here, they know of their options, and then when they qualify, they already know our team at that point, right? They already know what those options are. It's a lot easier to get a patient to be educated on trial and gauge their interest if they already know it's an option.